So imagine you've got 240 sites and you've got one welcome sign at each site. And it is of, it will look like that. And it will be this by that by some sort of construction. It can be either made out of ACM, SEV, something and something. 240 sites. You've got 10 contractors, and you're doing a few of these surveys yourself as well. The two ways that you could do this, you could either get 240 emails, or you could have 0 emails and have everything input into your Smartsheet. This is how we do it. Firstly, you need to create a new sheet, and this new sheet simply needs to be a grid sheet with the site name, the width of the sign, height of sign, material. Basically, whatever that you want to capture. Now, in material, I've done it as a drop-down box because I know that there will be 3 types of materials, or 3 ways that the sign is made. So I've done 3. Obviously, you could have more than that. You could have, for example, a banner as well. Okay, go to Forms, go to Create Form. And what happens is that Smartsheet automatically creates a new form for you that corresponds to all the columns of this sheet. The title is usually the title of the sheet that you have made, but you feel free to change it. Welcome sign add client of welcome signs. Now, site name could be a site name. You can use the label itself, which will correspond to that, or you could use a custom label, which is a name of site, let's say. And you can use a help text as well. Ask the receptionist what the name of the site is, just to help your surveyor a little bit. Keep going. You could use some help text, say in millimeters, in case some people like to put it in meters. Material is material. Now, there will be some fields that you would say, I definitely need this. So you need the name of site, definitely need the sizes. And if someone can't really find out what the material is, it's okay. Just an example. Of course, it's not okay. You could also get people to put in a photo of the sign. Go to Add Field, File Upload, drag it down. Come here. Instead of saying File Attachments, which is boring, say Photo of Sign. Help text again. Please take a photo of the welcome sign. Thanks. And if you definitely want a photo, just make it a required field. All right. Other options you have here are, what happens after the user clicks submit. Blah, 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 blah. Have a look through it yourself. Save. So now you have a form that is attached to this sheet, and it's called the welcome sign at client form. If you press preview, this is what the form looks like. You could simply send this link out to anyone who needs to do the survey, and they can open it on their phone, tablet, the computer, and it will come to this sort of page. All right. So I'm gonna fill this form in just for the heck of it. So name of site, let's say Auburn, my favorite suburb. Width of sign is always 2400 and always 1200. And for some reason, we like to make it out of ACM most of the time. You need a photo of the sign, which is browse around, say, use that, open. You can send yourself a copy of your responses if you like, just chuck in your email address. Otherwise, press submit. Blah, 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 thank you. Close it, close it. Give it a moment and you see form user has made changes. Just press the refresh button. the form data has been input in here. Now, because I've done a previous demonstration on this, these first two fields, these first two rows, although they are technically empty, they have actually been filled in before, so they are no longer virgin. So Smartsheet is probably smart enough not to put anything in there because there could still be some data in there. In any case, we'll delete that. And here you go, your photo and site name and everything. 239 more times, and that's your survey in a beautiful spreadsheet that you can download as an Excel or process it here.